shiny. One more. Oh, this is down shiny. I can't reach it. I have to dig through it. Yolk 1. Yolk 2. Done. Yolk 3. Done. Yolk 4. Done. Yolk 5. Done. Yolk 6. Done. Yolks, 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 yolks. Yolk, 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 yolk.
Wow, looks like you sure do have a lot of money going here.
What am I gonna do with all this money?
Well, I got the perfect bag for it.
Can we keep it?
Sure.
Or we need to donate it?
No, we don't need to donate it.
We need to shop it? We can shop the whole money? For which? Only which? Oh! It's the golden egg! It's mine! Ooh.
Okay, now all the ones that have been opened, put those in here, and that way you don't even have to worry about them after that.
I want to keep the shiny ones out.
Alright.
These are the Craftaway shiny ones.
Yeah.
These are open. These are open. Get the shiny egg.
See, that way you know what you got and what you don't have.
What's the money? Where are we going to put the money? In the bank? Let's put the money in the bank. Can you put money in the bank? Oh my gosh. Can we,
There, you just throw them right in here. Open them up,
we?
right in there. Open them up, right in there.
Open them up. Right in there.
Right in there. Yeah, you're getting the gist of it.
Remember last Easter?
Well, if it's more comfortable for you to throw them this
Oh my
way,
gosh!
then that might work even better.
That opens it. You don't need to throw those guys in.
You're just fooling me. Alright, well, which way do you want to do these? I'm trying to figure out which way is more comfortable for you.
These are cool.
Now put them in after.
Yeah, well, you can just see, if they're out of the way, you know what you got.
These are a lot of eggs we found. Well, I got an idea. We can put all this money into the bank.
We could do that.
Or I can spend it on all the toys I want.
Yeah, you can do that too.
We'll count it later. We'll count it together. You and me will count it. I'll tell you exactly how many nickels you have.
Whoa! Score, score, score. Not the shiny ones. Yolk. Coke. Yeah! The money! Where's the money? Money!
We'll get it out after. We'll get it out after.
No! Well, back to business. Yolk, yolk, poop, poop. Yolk, yolk, with the word.
No, change don't go in there, no.
Huh?
You don't put change in here.
Huh?
You put change in here.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How?
We'll get it out after. Come on.
Like this?
Don't do that, yeah. You shouldn't do that. Change don't go in there.
Is that against the law?
Can't go on the table.
Huh. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
That was from the other eggs in the room.
Now we have a ton of money.
Go faster.
We can't. But quick! Yo! Pew, pew, pew. Booty. Butts.
Alright.
Why did he give me all this money?
Because he loves you.
Because I've been good all day?
Yeah.
I've been good? And not bad? Well, what's after Easter? What's after Easter? I need a bag. I need a bag of yolks. Yolk. Whistles. Poop. Booty. Butts. Kick booty butt. Was that funny? Money! I found it. I got yolk. Can you open this for me? I need a golden egg. I need some golden egg. Can Santa give us money? Can Santa give us money?
Sure, he could give you money if you wanted to.